another video. You see by the intro where we're at GoPro Motorplex with the GoPro camera. We're here for a little cruise in. So just want to thank everybody. We got to 80 subscribers. Even though that's not a lot to a lot of people, that's a lot to me. I've been serious about doing the videos for maybe about 3 or 4 months now and getting 80 subscribers already in that time frame. It's pretty good. So we're out here. Cars still rolling in. We got some go-kart races going on for cheap. So we're gonna check out the cars we got out here and have a good time. Challenge course. Follow the Instagram and see Rubik's _3_196. If you're watching, support the movement, please. You know, tell me out. That's the subscribe button and all that stuff. Check out some of the mods I got. Carbon fiber, leg maker intake, petty strut bar, G3, 3G custom half covers there, custom red RT. Check out my man's over here. Custom hood prop. Check them out. Heavy rotation. Custom strut bar. All plum crazy purple. Got the Black Panther spoon going on with it. Pontiac GTO. Drag strip ready. Now this is how I pull up right there. Car seat ready to go. That's how I'm pulling up. That's how I'm pulling up right there. Nice paint job. gonna wrap this up. People already rolling out, get a little dark out here. I gotta go to work tomorrow, you know how that goes. So I gotta make some money because I got habits to support, miles to feed, bills to pay. Habits, that's what I mean, habits to support. I gotta get mods and more stuff for this car right here. Like, lots of stuff. So I gotta go to work to pay for it and do that stuff. So y'all, so just make sure, you ain't checked me out before, subscribe or whatnot, just check me out, man. Just support what I got going on. Follow Instagram, follow the car club, man. Follow stuff. I follow all the stuff, man. See y'all next video. Don't know what we talking about next video, but we'll find out. Peace. We out.